Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to change the candle colors on TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open TradingView, and as you can see, I have here the green color for the bullish candles, and I have a red color for the bearish candles. So let's say I want to change them. So go to the settings and go to symbols here. As you can see, we have body, we have borders, and we have the wick. This is for the bullish candles, and this is for the bearish candles. So let's say I want to change the bullish candles to, let's say, yellow, for example, like this. I will change also the borders and the wicks, this color, okay? And now I will change also the bearish candles to, let's say, black. This one, and this one, and this one. Okay, I don't think that this color, it looks good. I will change just the wicks like this, and after that click on OK. And now, as you can see, we changed our candle colors in TradingView. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.